Hi traders, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at blueberry markets. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Blueberry Markets was founded in 2016 by former AxiTrader executive Dean Hyde and is a registered business name of Eightcap. This broker is trusted by more than 30,000 traders worldwide and is regulated by the Australian Securities and Investments Commission and the Securities Commission of the Bahamas. As a Blueberry Markets client, you can choose from two types of live trading accounts that can be used on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 trading platforms. You will also have access to free virtual private servers, beginner to advanced trading courses, in-depth analytics, news updates, and 24-hour customer support. Blueberry Markets offers hundreds of forex pairs, shares, cryptocurrencies, commodities, metals, and indices. There are more than 40 tradable currency pairs, popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Ethereum, as well as dozens of other instruments that you can add to your portfolio. To view detailed contract specifications and find out more about the instruments you can trade with Blueberry Markets, hover your cursor over the Trade With Us tab and choose an instrument from the pricing menu. In general, your trades can be leveraged by up to 1 to 500 when trading with Blueberry Markets. If you do plan on trading with margin, please remember that you'll be exposing yourself to far greater financial risks and to do so with caution. Blueberry Markets offers competitive conditions for trading CFDs, and this broker's accounts are suitable for all styles of trading. As a client, you can trade on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. Blueberry Markets provides 24-hour 7 days a week customer support, premium educational content, and plenty of resources for analysis and research. Blueberry Markets also offers premium trading conditions for professional traders and is an excellent option for social traders. Additionally, you can connect to virtual private servers if you are using expert advisors or automating your trades. And this broker offers intuitive money management software for fund managers. Blueberry Markets provides a sophisticated, user-friendly website with a simplistic design that makes it easy to navigate. You can easily find all the information you need about the instruments you can trade, the platforms and tools you can use, and the trading conditions offered by using the menus at the top of the screen or at the bottom of the homepage. If you are looking for trading insights, trading signals, helpful tips, or any other resources, you can choose an option from the Market Analysis or Learn tabs. If you require any assistance, you can reach the Blueberry Markets customer support team via live chat, email, or telephonically. You can also request a callback or start an email conversation with them by submitting a web ticket from the website. Customer support is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and you will find direct contact details on the Contact Us page. Before you contact customer support, we would recommend visiting the FAQ pages for helpful tips and to see if any of your questions have already been answered. If you need assistance with managing your account, using the platforms, or anything else, you can contact the support team at any time. If you have any friends or family who are interested in trading or a large following of traders and investors on social media, you can increase your account balance through the Blueberry Markets referral program. All you need to do is get them to join using your unique referral link, and if they meet the minimum requirements, you'll receive a cash bonus. As a Blueberry Markets client, you can use MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. MetaTrader 4 was released in 2005 and is currently one of the most popular trading platforms in the world. This platform offers advanced analysis tools, technical indicators, customizable charts, expert advisor support, and easy-to-read interactive charts that you can monitor and analyze the markets with in real time. MetaTrader 5 was released in 2010 and has many advanced analysis tools, thousands of technical indicators, customizable charts, expert advisor and algorithmic trading functionality, and much more. These platforms can be downloaded for free from the official MetaTrader website and are beginner-friendly and suitable for all styles of trading, as well as automated trading and hedging. To learn more about the features of MetaTrader 4 and 5, hover your cursor over the Trade With Us tab and choose an option from the platform's menu for a full list of features and download links. As a client, you will also be able to use DupliTrade, which offers automated trading systems designed by some of the best professional traders in the industry. This platform is beginner-friendly, and the trading systems offered have high success rates. All you need to do is open an account with this broker, fund it based on the minimum requirements, and choose a strategy provider to follow. If you are automating your trading strategies or trading with expert advisors, we would recommend using virtual private servers to continuously run your algorithms and expert advisors 24/7 from any browser. The benefit of trading on a virtual private server is that there is no server lag and it runs much faster than an ordinary server, so you'll never have to worry about overloading servers or issues with backups. You can find more information about the tools and platforms this broker offers under the Trade With Us tab. There are two types of accounts that you can open with Blueberry Markets, and this broker also offers premium VIP trading conditions and demo accounts. Standard accounts have spreads from 1 pip, however no commission fees are charged. The direct account offers spreads from 0 pips, but the commission fees will be charged when using this account. You will not be limited to only using one platform on either account, and all instruments are available on both of the accounts. The spreads, commissions, and account protection you get will depend on your jurisdiction. However, the trading conditions offered do not differ much, except for the leverage limits allowed. All Australian-based accounts fall under the ASIC, and clients are allowed a maximum leverage of 1:30. All other accounts fall under the SCB, and a maximum leverage of 1:500 is allowed on accounts opened outside Australia. If you are new to trading, then we would recommend practicing on a demo account until you have a solid understanding of how trading works, as there are high financial risks involved. Demo accounts are the safest way to trade for beginners, and this account allows you to trade in a risk-free market environment using virtual funds. You can also use a demo account to test your strategies and try new tools and platform features. All accounts have negative balance protection, and client funds are held in segregated accounts with trusted banks. Each client or entity can open a maximum of 5 accounts. However, you can contact the Blueberry Markets customer support team if you need to open more accounts. To learn more about the accounts and trading conditions Blueberry Markets offers, hover your cursor over the Trade With Us tab and head over to the Account Types page. Creating an account with Blueberry Markets will only take a few minutes, and the account creation process is free and easy. You can follow these simple steps to sign up. Firstly, launch the Blueberry Markets homepage, and then click on the Start Trading button. Complete the online application form. Next, you'll want to verify your account and email address. And then you can log in to the client portal. No documents will be required when using a demo account. However, real accounts must be verified before you can make a deposit or withdrawal. In most cases, account verification will require you to submit documents and answer some questions. But after that is done, you will have full access to all the account features, After your account has been set up and approved, the next step would be to choose and download your preferred trading platform. In our case, we decided to go with the MetaTrader 5 trading platform. Download and install your preferred trading platform, and then simply log in with your credentials. And as easy as that, we're in. This is the MetaTrader 5 web trader with Blueberry Markets. In the center of the dashboard, you have your graph. On the left, your navigator and market watch. And at the top of the screen, a variety of tools and options that you can use. If you are new to trading and are new to the MetaTrader trading platforms, you can find a wide variety of helpful educational content online or over on the MetaTrader official website to help you get started with understanding the basics of platform functionality and to place your first trade. A minimum deposit of $100 is required to open an account with Blueberry Markets, and your account can be funded using US dollars, euros, pounds, or one of several other currencies. You can make a secure deposit using bank cards, PayPal, Skrill, Neteller, and FazaPay. And you can also fund your account using Bitcoin or Tether. You can make a withdrawal using any of the deposit methods used, and withdrawal costs will also depend on your bank. As a trader or investor, having access to educational resources, research material, and economic data is a key factor of success. This broker also provides an economic calendar that will give you fundamental insights into global employment data, retail markets and consumer price indexes, economic activities, GDP levels, changes in monetary policies, and updates on major events in over 70 central banks around the world. Blueberry Markets provides in-depth market analysis, updated news, and weekly forecasts. We recommend bookmarking these pages and checking them often to see what's driving the markets. Blueberry Markets also provides a great selection of basic and advanced video tutorials, ebooks, and in-depth trading guides. With this broker, you can learn the basics of risk management, using strategies, and trading different instruments at your own pace while you practice on your free demo account. So there's nothing to lose if you aren't using any real money. Overall, Blueberry Markets is an excellent choice for beginners, copy traders, and professionals. This broker provides a great selection of educational courses, market insights, and reliable news, and you will have access to 24/7 support. Blueberry Markets also offers intuitive managed account solutions, and if you're a fund manager, this broker could help you take your service offering to the next level. Blueberry Markets offers competitive trading conditions and seems safe and reliable. However, opening an account is done entirely at your own risk and discretion. Remember that trading has high levels of financial risks, and online markets are volatile, so be sure to trade responsibly and only trust the advice of a professional advisor. We highly recommend reading over the terms and conditions of trading with any broker before making any financial commitments. However, if you are ready to take your first step, why not open an account and bring some friends along with you to claim your bonus offers and get a head start on your trading career with Blueberry Markets. And that is our overview of Blueberry Markets. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.